Okay, welcome to the Qigong exercises. Right now I'm going to show you a very popular Qigong exercise that was developed based on a 1,000-year tradition. This is called the frolics of 5 animals. So I'm going to demonstrate the movements and sometimes emphasizing some key points along the way. Now, Qigong is a 3,000-year-old tradition in Chinese medicine. It's very conducive to health, and research has found that it has been useful to promote well-being and reduce stress in life. So this particular exercise is called the frolics of 5 animals: tiger, deer, bear, monkey, and bird. So we're going to do 2 exercises for each animal. Each animal enhances certain functions. For instance, the monkey actually focuses on the heart. So when I do these movements, I emphasize the importance of the movements and also this function for us. The movements are not that hard to do. You have to have some imagination though, because each animal contains certain spirit. So the designers of these Qigong exercises have this in mind. They want to capture the energy of those animals. Tiger is a ferocious animal, so we're going to capture those energy of tiger. Now, so the first one is tiger rising. I'm going to start with making a tight or loose fist is fine. The fist first, you raise your fist to the chest level, and then release those fists and push the energy all the way as far as you can go, and look at your digits, and then slowly you make another tight or loose fist depending on your condition. Usually I like to make something like a tight fist, and then you move it down. When you come to the chest level again, flatten your hands, push the energy downward. So now let's add breathing here. So inhale, and then you come here and then release, exhale, and inhale again. Easily move down your arms and look down. All right, one more time. You can fist. Come to the chest, release the fists, exhale, inhale, make fist, then push down. So this is the end of the tiger's first movement, the tiger rising. Second movement is tiger pouncing. Tiger pouncing, we're going to see a lot of undulating movements of your trunk, the torso. So I'm going to do from a different view. So starting out with very flat palms, see your tummy sticking out, and then you begin to pounce forward. When you pounce forward, you straighten up your back, stick out your buttocks, and then coming back, flex your knees, tuck your tummy in, and do the next pounce, a small pounce, with your left foot step out on a heel style. All right. So now I'm going to do this again from another pouncing movement. Your eyes look straight ahead. And coming back, knees sticking out, flexing. And one more time. Now I'm going to face the camera, and so now you can see from a different view. Again, tiger pouncing. Make sure the paws, so my eyes look straight ahead. Now I'm looking into the camera, so you can see. You should do the same thing when you do the movement. But next time, I just do an easy one. Look at the ground. All right, so we finished the tiger movement, and make sure we just go a quick review. Now, for the first one, the tiger, you make sure that the breathing and breathing out is incorporating to the movements. Always check upon your breathing during the movement. The second, the pouncing movement, make sure your back is supposed to be straight. Your hands, back supposed to be in the same line, and not round your back. Okay, so make sure they're in a straight line as much as possible. The second animal is called deer. Deer exercise is good for your back, for the kidney area, supposed to be. So let's talk about the deer. The first one, the deer exercise, is called the deer bunting. Deer antlers, and the deer horn. So imagine when you're moving here, back and forth, and suddenly the deer horns are out. So from bottom, and your left foot, this time your foot is step out, and turn the torso all the way so that your eyes can see your right heel. In my case, I'm seeing my right heel now. This is a good check point. So, okay, I can see my right heel. That means my back is all the way turned. Now, your hand can be raised a little bit higher, and this kind of rotation is great for the back exercise. And recover the movement just easily. Great. Now, the next exercise of the deer is the deer Russian. Deer move forward. We're going to make a lunge forward movement with empty fists. You can see move forward, the deer, and suddenly the weight step back. Now, we're going to shift the hands into deer horns. This is called deer horn posture. You bury your head between your between the shoulders, between the upper arm, okay? So in a sudden fashion, you do that, and then recover in the same position as we started. So let me do it without talking. This exercise really allows us to use the abdominal muscles and your hip muscles and make sure that these muscles are always agile, flexible. Okay, so it's very important for people who want to lose weight. It's good for them. Let's do it in the front view. Okay, so we're done with the deer movements. So the bear exercise starts with the bear moving in a circular in front of your chest, but this time you're not using don't do this without moving your body, all right? Or don't just moving body with your hands. Let your hands naturally moving in an oval shape in front of you so that you can see you are really using your hip, your back muscles to massage the internal organs. Okay, this is called bear moving. Now the bear also has a very interesting movement. The next exercise is called bear swagger. It's really heavy, so we're going to simulate the bear swagger. You stomp. So the first one is let your body move forward. Let the weight drop on the ground and make a stomping noise. And then you retreat let your arms swing and then back to the neutral position again. So let's do this on the other side. Stomp, okay? And this time, make sure you control the arms are just being move to the front and let it come back. So you're using your hip, the trunk area, to let your arms sway back and forth. So let me do it without talking. Okay, good. We've finished our bear exercise, deer, bear. And next one, we're going to move on to the monkey. Monkey is for the heart. You will see the monkey exercises are very lovely. Let's talk about the monkey's postures. This is called monkey hook. See, hook of the hands, all the digits together. Then monkey fist. So, monkeys like to play with peaches, like they enjoy peaches. So the movements have to do with the monkey eating peaches and pick peaches. The first one is monkey pick a peach and let it drop. Okay. So let's do it slowly. Inhale on your toes. Look one side and let drop the peach. Shrug your shoulder, look straight ahead, turn right, and then exhale, drop the peach. All right? Inhale. Now, next movement is a little bit more challenging. It's called the monkey peach picking. This time, we're going to do it this way. First, we position ourselves because you have to take a step back and hold in this position. Your right palm is facing you. The left palm is facing downward. Now, your left foot is supporting your body weight. Now, turn your head to the right side corner, top corner. You see a peach. Drop your hand and extend your left hand to pick the peach in the hooked hand position and drop it to the basket and then make a monkey fist. I know quite a few things for you to remember, but let's just do as much as we can, all right? Let's just do it. So the monkey is looking at his palm. Okay, the tree on the top. Oh, a peach. Pick the peach, drop to the basket, and relax. We do it on the other side. The last animal is the bird. The bird is going to hold a posture like a bird. It's bird wing. We're going to use the bird wing sometimes, but most of the time it's the palm position. The first movement is called the bird extension. So let's see if you can see me from this position. So the bird extension is shrug your shoulder and put two hands together, stick out your back in like a bird position. And then you let your hands drop and look straight ahead. Neck, extend it a little bit. All right, let's put the breathing in. Inhale, and then exhale. Great feeling to exhale, and then inhale again. All right, so this is called the bird extension, or extending its wings. Finally, the bird exercise number 2, flying. So make sure you imagine the bird flying above, hovering above a beautiful tree. Okay, this is how you do it. First, imagine we have the bird wings. This is we can bird wings look very much like a deer horn, but this time the bird wings have to stick out your thumb and the middle finger and your index finger. Okay. All right, so we start with a very gentle, slower, and then we could go higher. So bird, fly. When we finish all the exercises, this is the last animal exercise. We'll just do a few more relaxing ones. So inhale, and let the chi rise, and then let the chi drop. And then we can close. So if you can do this exercise as a warm-up before you do Tai Chi, it's wonderful. Or you can do this alone too, during the time of stressful time like exam or papers due date. Find a spot and just relax yourself by doing a set of the frolics of 5 animals would be great.